My name is Dr. Wishmaster. And I'm going to give you 3 wishes. Anything you want. Anything you ever needed. You can wish for. And I'll give it to you.
I wish to be the richest man alive.
Here, you gotta hear it. I'm gonna do it.
Okay. The microphone's right here, bro. All I'm hearing is music, bro. Yeah. There it goes.
I am the Wishmaster. I'll give you 3 wishes. Anything you want. Anything you ever asked for in your life. I'll give it to you.
I got an idea, bro. Wish number 1, I want a fat bitch. Wish number 2, I want a fat bitch. Wish number 3, I want another fat bitch. We're gonna make a fucking double stack moon over my Meredith sandwich.
That when you make your
Yeah,
3rd
it's gonna be
wish,
awesome.
your soul is.
I'm in the middle.
So I'll give you 3 fat bitches. Yo, we should record this, right?
She is.
This is what stoners do on a regular.
Alright, let's see what happens when, if you take it out of infinity mode, it'll change.
Shit's going on YouTube.
Like, if we keep being loud, it'll say loud dream, or if I start moving, it'll say action dream.
But you can't hear it like how it sound though.
I got a pretty good idea. Oh yeah. Your mom's there.
It's me. Nothing's funny. Only thing is funny is what's funny to me. I'm going to eat your guts like a zombie. Walking dead.
Dun dun dun.
Here, you take both of those. I'm gonna just control the action because it'll slow down and speed up as I move
Alright,
more.
Alright, it's the whistle. It's me again. I can't hear it. It's only music.
Yeah. It gets that way. Alright, give it a minute.